Well, guys, we've made it to the final stage of traveling for this month and the next month and the future.
HPU and a few.
This man's over here. If you don't know who this is, new guy on the channel. He's better than his brother at vlogging. If you've seen his brother on vlogging, don't follow him.
Catman Baller.
Catman Baller. Yikes. But got my bagel, coffee. Long day ahead. And now we're just waiting for a flight. And getting back into the swing of things at school. So let's get it.
Speaking, I'd also like to welcome all of you aboard American Airlines Flight 2578, now serving Charlotte, North Carolina. We're just about ready to get on our way. Our flying time, once we do get airborne, is right at 1 hour and 15 minutes.
Run that back, turbo.
Feel like I'm sitting on a mountain. EDS when those water on me look like a fountain. Backhand racing, I need an accountant. Cardia, you told in, I don't need the vouchers. He that had to seals in the couch.
What up, everyone? So we just got done our flight from Boston to Charlotte. And I don't know, Jack was knocked over there.
I was sleeping the whole way.
Yeah, and now we got a few different departures. Admiral's Club. Oh, that'll be me in trust me, that'll be me in a few years. But oh, hold on, pit stop, bathroom break. What's up, everyone? So we just had some Bojangles, and now we are going to our second flight to connect to Greensboro, baby. We lost the bag. Going to Greensboro and then going to school, back to school, everyone. But yeah, I mean, we got off the flight. We're hanging in there. Oh, look at this. Look at these people behind us. Oh my gosh. Full hazmat suits. Something's going on in this world. We got to figure it out. But we're going to our flight. It's going to be a quick 30-minute flight, so I'll probably listen to music, bump out, and then we'll be on our way to school. So I'm wearing this full drip new Sesamol jumpsuit. Drip, let's go. So guys, we just touched down in Greensboro. It was the smallest plane ever. I was like, felt like I was flying on a private jet or something. It was crazy.
In the interest of aviation
But
security,
we're going to get our bags now.
do not leave your luggage.
And then we got my boy
unattended
Jack
at
that
any
we just flew with.
Do not transport
He
any item
flew
or
out to
someone you do
Charlotte
not know.
with me, and then
If you believe that someone has tampered with your
he
luggage,
didn't book a
or
flight to
displayed
Greensboro with me,
proof
so
you
he
are
just
carrying a
gave him the
fraudulent
keys to the whip, and he
contact an airline
went to go
representative
grab the whip, and he's coming to meet me in like a few minutes here. So
All
you guys will get to
checked and
see
carry-on luggage is subject to
the
search.
whip that I drive, and then we'll get a good vlog of the campus. No. What do we got here? Good old Freshman Village, boys and girls.
Oh my God.
Some bows. Oh,
We're back.
We're back
Get some
in
bows.
the trap house.
Here's what you gotta do. Dunk it in the honey mustard.
Yeah.
You're all set.
Okay.
I'm sweating right now.
Freshman Village. Quick interview. Have fun.
Send him off in the first day of school.
Send him off to Freshman Village. Uh-oh. You know what it is. We're getting our mail. Going into the Slane Center with Andre and Brittany over here. Let's see what's popping in here. Let's see. Oh, we got some ice on the ground because apparently it's supposed to blizzard tomorrow, but Yeah, you know, we got the Starbucks over here. We got the nice lights. Nice basketball court over there with the gym. Yeah, you know, we got a Starbucks on campus. Do you? Nope, I don't think so. So we're getting a mail, and I'll check back in with you guys when we get to the room. Look who we got. Where are we coming in? Coming in the cafe, boys and girls. Oh. Who is it?
It's Daily Dugan. It's Daily Dugan.
Big man on campus over here.
Hey. Better put your mask on. You're not setting a good example.
Where's your mask, huh?
My mask is in my pocket. I'm doing some high intensity workouts.
Yeah. Well, everyone. We have made it back to High Point. It was a long journey. I'm tired. So I'll give you a little run through of my dorm in Cafe Hall right here. It's actually really crazy. I'll give you a little sneak peek. So here's the entrance. Come through. We got our nice TV with the Signu flag. We got the crazy LED lights going on over there. We got the mini bar right here. Xbox, stuff like that. The couch we got going on here. Nice. We got the LEDs flashing with the Signu letters right there. Crazy, right? And then we got a nice wraparound there. A tiki bar sign with the HBU football helmet. And then we got our little kitchenette over here. Fridge, everything you need. Got a little spinny mabob for some drinks. You know what I'm talking about. Our bathroom, absolutely insane. Ooh. Look at that shower. Fire. Biggest countertop I've ever seen. So nice. I'll give you a little run through of my room. So yeah, here's my room. Got my medicines, you know, CF gang out here. My name. Got the LED lights over here. We got our desk. Nice setup with the TV and everything. Nice clean setup. And let's see what we got. We got a small little view. I mean, it's out the window. Nothing crazy. I mean, we're on the bottom floor, so it's kind of boring over here, but I will definitely have to give you guys a tour of my campus coming up soon. Oh yeah, don't forget, we got the 1942 Don Julio. You know what we're talking about, expensive tequila, $150 tequila. Why not? Gotta ball out sometime. But yeah, I mean, I gotta get ready for an interview I got coming up here, for an internship I got possibly for this spring/summer. It's a social media intern, something like that. So it should be good. A little nervous, but you know, good to know how to interview. It's good to know what you're doing in interviews, because you know that's a valuable lesson that you need to take in the future. So I'm actually gonna do that, get some nice suit on, stuff like that, get ready for that. And then I got a little skin for my camera here, a nice camo thing, so I'll have to put that on in a little bit. But other than that, I mean, we'll see where the night takes us. I mean, it's just got to college, so why not ball out tonight? So we might be drinking, who knows. But other than that, I'll check back in with you guys after my interview and see what everyone else is up to today. See who's on campus and see if you guys can meet my buddies, my fraternity brothers, and everyone else. So I'll check back in later. Well, guys, I just got off a long mentoring call with Arlen Moore. If you don't know who Arlen Moore is, go check him out. He's a famous YouTuber and he's such a baller. But anyways, I'll have to end it here. It's been a long day so far. I'm sorry if I didn't get enough content. Don't worry, you'll get some content, don't you worry. But I'm gonna end it here. We're gonna go get dinner, kind of hang out, probably get in bed early tonight. I'm pretty tired, but yeah, I mean, we'll end it here. Hope you guys had a good day. I'll check back in and try to vlog a little bit tomorrow, seeing what we're doing. I might be working a lot of stuff, but we'll see. So talk with you guys later.